Blake Shelton on Kix 105.5. Good morning to you. It is 7:48. As he joins us every 10 minutes until 8 o'clock on Wednesdays, it is Mike Barrett from Barrett Insurance Agency.
Although I think we consistently start
a little earlier than that
minutes,
and then go way past our time allotted.
Yeah.
So the other day, you and I got to talking about a conversation which involved a windshield on my daughter's car, and I am insured through Barrett Insurance Agency. And it was on a report, and you said it's not your report, it's the car's report. And I wanted to know, what is the difference between a car report and a driver's report?
Well, no. So it's following you because the way these reports are generated, there's numerous ways. All right. So obviously, motor vehicle reports are entirely different. Those follow just your driver's license. But they also, when you're pulling reports for quoting, they can pull your address and find if there's other household members that you're not disclosing. But we'll go to the loss report. So it's called the CLUE, the Comprehensive Loss Underwriting Exchange.
Okay.
And so through any number of reasons, claims history is reported to the central database where companies extract the information for quoting purposes. And what you had was a nice little presentation that said, here are things that could be impacting your rate.
Okay.
And it showed that glass claim on there. My thought is maybe it's following the vehicle. But even if it was following you,
so you've got a
glass
CLUE,
claim,
a motor vehicle, and a driver. These are different reports.
Yeah. So
that you collectively take and come up with one answer for what is going to be the rate for insuring you.
Right. And a windshield claim in its own or on its own is not going to be. There's two things. Number one, there's never enough payout. Even if it's showing up on your report, it's not enough payout to warrant the removal of a loss-free credit with the companies.
Okay.
Typically, the threshold is between $1,000 and $1,500. Anything paid less than that won't go against you.
So let me get to my question.
And it's not at fault either. So
my question is then, you can read my credit report and judge upon that?
They can. I can't.
They can. You can't. My driver report from motor vehicles. But what if I buy a car? Let's say I buy a car from my neighbor, and my neighbor has crashed that car 7 times.
We're not going to know that.
You're not going to know that.
No.
And that won't follow the car on a report.
No.
Okay.
No, that's going to be.
Somehow
that's
in my mind, I thought,
you were thinking Carfax when I said that. Yeah,
Right.
I totally get it because that's kind of how I would have taken it too. I think, but no, it's not Carfax, but it's more just following you. But yeah, if you're buying a vehicle or if you're moving to a location, I mean, the biggest things that are going to follow you: your driver's license, your physical or mailing address, and that's going to help discover vehicles and household members and claims history.
Now, I have not only vehicle, but also renter's insurance.
Yes.
And they are in different companies?
No, you're with the same company
Same
for both.
company on both.
Well, we wanted to.
Why do
we
they
wanted
bill
to
twice?
Because they're separate policies.
Okay.
They're separate
It
policies.
seems like they would bundle that together. Everybody's bundle happy nowadays.
See, that's the thing. Even Progressive, who loves the word bundle, it'd be separate. There's only one company in our office, and even they are starting to kind of get away from that, where it was one policy number. Now it's 2 policy numbers. I think they show up on the same mailing, but still separate billing.
Now, Progressive was something that I had before.
Yes.
And we had those little things that you stick into the vehicle.
A Snapshot.
Didn't work so well.
Yeah.
But now Snapshot's available on a cell phone.
Yes.
Does having Snapshot or a cell phone app truly give you a discount if you are a good driver?
Yes, it does. I've seen
significant, more than 10%.
I've seen people save 20 to 25%. Some companies I think go as high as 30%. I've seen people max out the savings. Most people are in the middle because we're typically average drivers, but people who drive like they were driver's ed during that monitoring period. And I'm talking like,
Sunday driving, 90 years old, just to church and back.
They are just doing their thing and ticking you off behind them. No, probably not. But those people are the ones that are the smartest because they're saving they're taking the most advantage of their monitoring period. With Progressive, with the Snapshot, whether you do the device or the app, it's the first policy term of monitoring. So if you do a 6-month policy term, it's the full 6 months. If you do a 12-month policy term, it's the full 12 months. Other companies are sticking to a 3 to 6 month rule.
So if I start on that now, the discounts won't come to me until after
most
that
companies
time
will give
frame.
You a discount just for trying it, just for doing it. So you get usually a 5 or 10% credit right off the bat, and then some companies will give you the credit at renewal. Some companies will give you credit after the first 30 days. I'll tell you, It's
So
there's
many
not enough coffee
equations.
in the world for me to figure all that
I
out.
used to think I really wanted to be an insurance agent, but now, after all this, sounds like there's a lot of math and paperwork, and no, I'm not interested anymore.
Math and science
You can,
equals success.
You can give me back my resume, thanks.
Oh, no,
Barrett
we already
Insurance-
started the fire with that.
Don't tell Bruce. Thank you so much for working on Kicks 105.5. I'll be your local insurance agent down at Barrett Insurance Agency. They'd walk in and go, nope, I'm going somewhere else.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mike, for stopping down and talking to us as he does every Wednesday. If you would like to find out more about what you have for insurance, whether it's the right insurance, you've got some new additions or some losses in your family, talk to Barrett anytime you want. Give him a buzz over at
748-5224. Visit us on Portland Street in St. Johnsbury. Online, thebarrettagency.com. Google, Facebook, and YouTube. All Barrett Insurance Agency. Let us know.
I'll see you next week, bud.
All right, see ya.